Hey, let's jump into this explainer and fix a huge hidden problem eating up your import margins.
Look, Vietnam and Australia share three overlapping free trade agreements. We've got AANZFTA, CPTPP, and RCEP.
The wild part? For most consumer goods, all three agreements drop your duties to absolutely zero anyway. Since tariffs hit zero, importers just pick an agreement at random. Trust me, that's a dangerous trap.
So forget finding the lowest tariff. Ask yourself which agreement's rules of origin are easiest to pass.
Rules of origin decide the real winner. It's literally all about compliance and having bulletproof paperwork.
Usually, you need 40% regional value, or your imported inputs must transform enough to change classifications.
But here's the kicker, right? Each agreement applies those exact same tests completely differently in the real world. RCP's superpower is cumulation. Using lots of Chinese or Japanese parts, this is usually your only route.
Meanwhile, AANZFTA is the gold standard for simplicity. You get an authority-issued certificate, which massively lowers audit risks. Now, CPTPP is incredibly strict. It won't count Chinese parts at all, so it's rarely your safest bet.
Let's look at a real-world example. Ceramic kitchenware that uses exactly 45% Chinese imported inputs.
A forwarder actually told this buyer, hey, just use CPTPP. Boom! Instant, massive audit risk created.
Why? Because CPTPP fails completely here. Those Chinese parts absolutely cannot count toward the regional value. But under RCEP, Chinese parts count. And with AANZFTA, the local Vietnamese assembly easily satisfied the rules.
Okay, so let's build a super simple, step-by-step playbook you can apply to your shipments today.
You gotta ask these 4 vital questions per specific product line, not for your whole catalog.
Here's the cheat code: RCEP for parts accumulation, AANZFTA for safety, and CPTPP for wider Pacific markets.
Please don't let forwarders guess for you. A one-size-fits-all approach just leaves your business completely exposed.
So are you actually protecting your margins or just sitting around waiting for a backdated tax bill?